Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. Today is Thursday, December the 10th, 2020. I just ran my report, as you can see, for the country of Israel. But before we get started, I do a couple of favors to ask of you today. That's it. If you haven't done so already, go and click that subscribe button. And also click on the description below and you'll see a link that says buy me a coffee. I would appreciate if you would buy me a cup of coffee today, okay? So let's take a look at the report for Israel. Currently averaging 1,023 cases per day, but only about 8 to 9 deaths per day. If you look at the mortality rate, you can see the mortality rate on average is remaining below the daily average, which is this red line right here. Okay. You can see they had this long extended flattening from but now it's beginning to climb. Cases are starting to climb back up towards this 2,000 line right there. Okay. Deaths are interesting enough. Deaths are actually declining again, which is why the mortality rate is so low. Okay. And ultimately, I want to suggest that ultimately this is the number that matters. Okay, this is the number that really matters because according to Worcester University, daily deaths is the single best indicator of the spread of a pandemic. Okay, the best single indicator. So don't be led astray by talks of cumulative deaths or cumulative cases or hospital beds or even daily cases. Because as you can see, you can have increasing cases and decreasing deaths at the same time. This is really the measure right here. Okay, this is 10. So right now they're you can see that their average deaths per day is below 10%. All right, let's take a look at let's zoom in a little bit. You can see the cases are starting to climb again, and deaths are clearly falling. If we look at as we look at weekly cases, this is the current week. So you can see that this week is the highest number of cases in 5 weeks so far. Deaths, you can see, did in fact decline last week, and they're also lower than these numbers over here. So that's really the good news. The low mortality rate and the fact that deaths are declining again. That's the best news of all. Again, you can see deaths, only halfway through cases or through December. So you can see that currently December has the lowest number of deaths so far, lowest number of cases so far. I'm sorry. Uh, you know, well, this is the current low, July. Last month was the second lowest number. November had the lowest number of deaths so far. This is the current number for December. So there is some good news for Spain. Cases are declining. Deaths are declining. That's the good news. Okay. So anyway, thanks so much for stopping by. We'll catch you on my next report.